McIntosh Labs, a name synonymous with premium audio excellence, recently showcased how signage can play a key role in the retail experience. The company added 3 backlit SEG fabric lightboxes at one of their retail locations to create a retail experience that blends seamlessly with their brand. The largest lightbox showcases the brand logo and its iconic blue power meters, immediately drawing clients into the world of high-fidelity audio. The other 2 smaller lightboxes are strategically placed to complement the turntables and loudspeakers, adding to the premium retail design of their product line. SEG fabric, or silicone edge graphic fabric, is ideal for retail environments like McIntosh Labs. Brands love SEG because of its quality, versatility, and high-end look. Explore more at 40visuals.com and visit our blog for more signage news, tips, and inspiration.